If your neckline does not lay properly, it's as a result of excess fabric, and here is how you can get rid of it. Starting with your basic block, you mark the midpoint of your neckline, then you connect that point to your bust point, and also you mark up about 8 cm your bust radius and mark out 1.5 cm, then connect the 1.5 cm back to your bust point and also to your neckline. This is called the bust contour. The space created by your new neckline within the bust contour should be closed. So for my new neckline, I widen my shoulder line with 2 cm and then I drew my neck curve. So after drawing my neck curve, the point where my neck curve meets my contour, I straightened the line, connected it to the bust point, and now it's time to close the excess space. To do this, cut through one of the contour leg and also cut through your bust start leg and pivot the space into your dart leg. Then you tape it in place. Now your neckline is firm. The next thing is to blend in the curve of your neckline. So now I'll fill up the space created in my bust dart, then I'll tape it in place. Now you can redraw the dart leg of your bust dart and you will notice that it is now wider. This is as a result of the excess space that we moved from the neckline. So you can cut your neckline now and your neckline should be firm now. If you like this, kindly like, follow, share, subscribe. So now to complete the upper bodice of the top I'm drafting, all the darts on the bodice would be pivoted into one of the shoulder darts, which is going to be the shoulder dart with the higher neckline. So now to do that, I will draw a slash line from that dart on the shoulder to the bust point. This line is where I will cut through to pivot the waist dart. The first waist dart will be pivoted now. Then I will tape it in place. So after pivoting that, then I'll also pivot the second shoulder dart. And tape it in place. To pivot the second waist dart, I will cut through one of the dart leg and also cut through the dart leg of the shoulder, and I will tape it in place. Now it's time to fill in the space I have created at the shoulder. So I'll tape it. So now that the space have been filled, the next thing is to cut out our complete pattern. This is the complete pattern and the wavy line indicates the points that will be gathered. See you on the next one. Bye.